Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Begin by opening Devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Storage section. Following that, choose Cleanup at the bottom. Wait couple of seconds and tap on Cleanup again, but this time next to Junk Files. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!